How commercial jet engines are forged inside the multi-billion-dollar aerospace factory from start to finish. The forged heart of flight. Welcome inside the apex of heavy industry. This is the full end-to-end industrial process of how massive, mission-critical components for commercial jet engines, the rotating discs, rings, and blades, are created through extreme force forging. From raw superalloy ingots to the final certified flight-ready assembly, every step is a testament to high-temperature metallurgy, colossal precision, and rigorous control. This documentary takes you into the hidden, hyper-efficient factory floor where force meets finesse. Phase 1. Superalloy transformation. Witness the preparation of nickel and titanium-based superalloy ingots, heated to white-hot temperatures in induction furnaces ready for forming. Phase 2. Colossal forging. See the raw billets shaped under immense pressure by multi-story hydraulic presses and radial ring rollers, creating the dense, fatigue-resistant grain structure required for flight. Phase 3. Precision machining and coating. Follow the components through multi-axis CNC machining, laser drilling for microscopic cooling holes, and the application of ceramic thermal barrier coatings, TBCs. Phase 4. Integration and validation. Experience the coordinated assembly of the engine core and the unforgiving full thrust testing in a state-of-the-art test cell to confirm absolute performance and safety. Every motion in this facility is synchronized, every machine is calibrated to the highest tolerance, and every component produced is a structural masterpiece ready to withstand the extreme demands of thrust and temperature. If you appreciate efficiency, world-class heavy engineering, and the secret processes behind modern air travel safety, this is the deep dive you've been waiting for. Key highlights in the video: raw ingot to billet, precision slicing and induction heating of superalloy material, closed die forging, the rhythmic, powerful strike of the colossal hydraulic press, ring rolling, seamless expansion of turbine casings under controlled pressure, CMM inspection, automated micron-level measurement of forged geometries, laser drilling, creating thousands of microscopic cooling holes with high-energy lasers, final assembly and test, the coordinated core build and the engine's intense performance validation in the test cell.
We see the continuous rotation of the blades. This inspector identifies a flaw and removes the rejected part before it moves to the rinse stage.
All checks cleared on batch 42.
Confirmed. Ready for machining. The CNC tool head moves rapidly, shaving off material from the spinning disc blank. Coolant streams constantly. The EDM electrode moves smoothly and continuously through the dielectric fluid, precisely carving the fir tree profile with controlled microsparks.
The continuous, smooth cycle dips the racks into the ultrasonic bath before seamlessly loading them onto the high-speed drying conveyor.
The plasma spray torch applies an even coating, demonstrating an uninterrupted, automated, and high-tolerance process.
We have alignment, engage sequence now.
Roger that. Engaging rotor. Confirmed locked.
Alignment looks good on my side. Ready for engagement.
Confirmed. Engaging sequence now.
The assembly technicians move in a continuous, coordinated sequence around the engine core, smoothly tightening securing bolts with specialized tools.
Locked in place. The fit is perfect.
Copy that. Ready for transfer to carriage.
Parameters updated. Check the fuel flow metrics.
Verified. All systems nominal. Initiating phase 2 sequence. Monitor injector timing.
Sequence stable. Timing verified within parameters.
The data is within tolerance. Ready for sign-off. Approved. Confirmed.
Finalizing the validation report now.
Confirmed. All parameters passed with flying colors. The operational fluids flow smoothly into the reclamation tanks. The jig tilts automatically to ensure complete drainage.
Borescope reading is nominal. Torque check complete.
Sign-off initiated. Preservation authorized.
All parameters green. Ready for sign-off. Confirmed. Final gate passed.
Get the binders on the front.
Tightening the rear left.
Clear to lower the lift.